Is your Freightliner M2-112 steering wheel feeling a bit tired and worn out? This technical precision traveler steering wheel kit might just be the upgrade you've been looking for. It's designed specifically for the 2010 Freightliner M2-112, so you know you're getting a vehicle-specific fit. The kit includes an 18-inch black leather steering wheel, which immediately feels more substantial and comfortable in your hands compared to many stock wheels. The black powder-coated aluminum 5-hole hub adapter is a nice touch, giving it a clean, professional look. Installation, from what we've seen, is straightforward, especially with the included hub adapter. It's designed to integrate seamlessly with the existing steering column. The leather itself feels premium, offering a much better grip, especially on those long hauls where your hands can get a bit sweaty. The 18-inch diameter provides a good balance. It's large enough to offer leverage and control, but not so large that it feels cumbersome in tighter spots. The black powder-coated finish on the hub is durable and resists fingerprints, which is a definite plus for a working truck. This isn't just about looks, it's about enhancing the driving experience. The added comfort and improved grip can make a noticeable difference during extended periods behind the wheel. It feels solid, well-built, and like a genuine improvement over the original equipment. For any Freightliner M2-112 owner looking to add a touch of luxury and improve ergonomics, this kit is a compelling option. It's a well-executed upgrade that delivers on both style and function.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.